Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, July 5th, 6th, and 7th, the sun is in Cancer and the moon is in Leo, one sign apart. So it's after July 4th. We had this big party and you probably had so much fun and you're playing outside. And why would you wear a scarf in the middle of the summer? Because I'm just all about the warm and fuzzy Cancer land. And how did you feel after that party yesterday? Did you feel alienated? Did anybody invite you out to play? Did you drink too much? Did you eat too much? Because now there's still 5 planets in water. So we're still in the water sensitivity. But for the next few days, the energy picks up. The moon's in Leo. It's really fun summertime. The kids are out of school. You get to go down to the beach or you're going outside for a hike. This is a really good energetic time. And there's this wonderful thing in the charts right now in the heavens. It's called a rectangle where there's 4 planets involved. So we have the sun is in Cancer and Jupiter is in Virgo. Those are both earth and water. Then we have the sweetness of Neptune in Pisces and Pluto in Capricorn. So there's like literally 4 planets that are all in earth and water. And that makes for mud, but most of all it makes for comfort. So while the moon's in Leo, and it's really supposed to be all about you, you might want to study a little astrology because this perfect rectangle is so lovely to look at. And it simply means there's been a comfortable energy up in the heavens, all this water. There's some earth to complement it. Earth and water love to be together. The moon in Leo is there for a little bit of flair. And you get to ask yourself after July 4th, what did you do? Did you feel lonely? What can you do to change that story? Every moment, honestly, all the time. And when the moon's in Leo, it gives us some chi. You always have a chance to start the story over again. Like you can break the habit starting tomorrow. Cancer's big thing in life is they get stuck in a loop about their emotional body. This is the worst part about being human. Do you know how much of our body's water and how much of the planet is water? And that if you were standing out on another planet looking over at us, we're blue. And blue is sad. And that's what happens after July 4th when you realize, God, I didn't connect with anyone, or I drank too much, or I partied too hard, or this weekend I have no one to play with. And here we are on Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday, and you have a chance. Always. Think of this video right now as a restart button. The moon in Leo, for you to say, I matter. The hardest thing about Cancers is they don't put themselves first. And the hardest thing about Leos is they always put themselves first. So that split is a great conversation. Are you thinking about you? Do you put your attention on your own well-being? And if so, you might be a taker. Or are you always giving to the other, the Cancer, in which case